Hey future Gators, my name is Avery Watson. I went to CMM and now I start on the Lady Gator soccer team.
Hey guys, I'm Sheldon Harville. I went to CMM and now I compete on Shreve's baseball team.
Hey future Gators, I'm Carly Hamilton. I went to Erie Drive and now compete on Shreve's Lady Gator basketball team.
Hey, I'm Brett Purnell. I went to school at First Baptist and now I compete on the men's varsity soccer team for Shreve.
Hey guys, I'm Brennan Hurst. I went to St. Joseph and now I compete on Shreve's tennis team.
Hello, I am Ken Terrell. I went to Erie Drive and now I compete on Shreve's football team.
Hey, I'm Lane Booker. I went to Erie Drive and now I compete on Shreve's golf team.
What's up students, I'm Kyron Reed and I went to Erie Drive and now I compete on Shreve's basketball team.
Hey future Gators, I'm Michael M. Ricardo. I went to Caddo Middle Magnet and now I compete on Shreve's softball team.
I love this team because it's full of different personalities and it's super easy to make friends. Because of this team and coaching staff, we were able to set new individual and team records. I know our future in the swamp is bright.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by showing their true brotherhood and giving me their full support. I love this team because we all share a bond that can't be broken, and I know that we'll always fight hard for each other. Because of this experience, I know that I'm more prepared to succeed as I work towards my goal of baseball at the next level.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by developing my game and showing me what a true sisterhood and family is all about. I love this team because no matter the result, we always come together as one. Because of this experience, I know that I am more prepared to succeed as I continue my basketball journey and academic studies.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by teaching me discipline with all the practices and training, focus with all the fans yelling at the games, and staying calm under pressure when the game is close. I love this team because of all the loving memories I have with it. From the start of the season with our fitness week, to the end of the season singing on the bus. It's been everything I could hope for and more.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by helping me with teamwork skills and building relationships with my teammates. I love this team because it's a fun and chill environment, but we still push each other to become better. Because of this experience, I now know that I am prepared to succeed as I have grown from celebrating my successes and learning from my losses.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by holding me to high expectations and giving me resources needed to meet that expectation. I love this team because it feels more like a family than a team. Because of this experience, I know that I am more prepared to succeed as I pursue my athletic goals in college and beyond.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by pushing me in every practice week, whether at Corby's or in other courts. I love this team because we all want to get better at our craft and we encourage each other through that process. Because of this experience, I know that I am more prepared to succeed as I go on to college and pursue my goals.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by showing me how to work hard and that in order to win, everybody has to buy in to achieve our goals. I love this team because we've been together since freshman year and we've grown as brothers. Because of this experience, I know that I am more prepared to succeed as I pursue my athletic goals in college.
This team has helped me become a better athlete by showing me what it means to be a part of a family. The relationship that I have with present and former players is something that I am so thankful for. The coaches have shown me so many different ways to trust and believe in myself even when it's hard. I love this team because I know I can count on them for anything. Shreve softball has been a part of my life for all 4 years of high school. I couldn't imagine school without it. One of my favorite memories of being on this team was hosting a second-round playoff game at Shreve, which had never been done before. Because of this experience, I know that I am more prepared to succeed as I continue my education at Louisiana Tech University in the fall.
Welcome to the swamp, where we're not just a team, but we're a family. 26 sports, 8 fields and courts on campus, 2 weight rooms, over 20 players currently playing or signed on the college teams. Since the start of the 2020-21 school year, these Gators have earned district titles in football, boys and girls basketball, girls soccer, swimming, bowling, and our boys track team. Our Lady Gators have been crowned state champions twice in the last 3 years. We compete as a family and we succeed as a family. We all we got and you're all we need. Believe in Shreve, where champions are made.